This is James. He's in the flow. You know the feeling, right? People need you, deadlines come at you, just enough pressure to feel sharp, focused. And you handle it. You are built for this. It's what you do. Clients asking for you by name. They really trust you, don't they? Boss watching, and they like what they see. Feels good, doesn't it? Because intensity isn't the problem. You need the right amount. But too much, when flow turns to flood. Yeah, just another late night, lights off at home, laptop on at work, and you said you'd be home soon. Yeah, but it's the job. Your dad called. Last time he wasn't well. And you barely listened. That email just couldn't wait. Anyway, focus now. Come on, keep going. You always keep going. You always make it happen. You push through it. It's what you do. But push too far and something breaks. One more email, one more late night, and another. No break. You think this is strength. You think this is what success looks like. And then what? Because the real strength, it's not drowning yourself in expectations. Don't give up. Just know when to stop. When to take a breath, knowing you shouldn't have to do it alone. Come up for air. Take a micro moment to recover. Go back in to flow.
Hey, son.
Hi, Dad.